manufacturers are starting to do a better job of leveraging all the cool things they're doing, right? The reason the show How It's Made was so popular is it's cool to see inside of a factory. So when we highlight robots, automation, all those processes in videos or things along those lines, any sort of digital media, even putting it on TikTok these days, that's the next frontier. It gets people more excited and just more aware about the manufacturing industry. I think a very important thing you brought up is the community aspect, though, because manufacturing happy hour, I'll speak from my experience. It's a podcast that's listened to over 1,000 manufacturing leaders every week. But I think the real magic is bringing in those core listeners into a community, whether it's on LinkedIn, whether it's through Zoom calls, whatever it is, so that that group of people can start interacting with one another and helping one another and looking out for new opportunities for one another. So that's where the real strength is. And I think digital content is step one. But if you're able to start building a community around your content, around your brand, that's where companies can unlock a superpower, I would say, where all of a sudden they don't just have customers, they have fans of their brand. And that's where I think the power of community within content comes from.